Cheers. Duck confit.
So what's everyone else gonna eat?
Yeah, right now when they're dead, dude. Yeah. I can't decide between the duck confit or the chilaquiles. No Wi-Fi. Please chat with each other like it's 1995. Cheers. Ooh.
That's good.
This is very strong. Aperol spritz.
I think I like mine better.
Ooh. I like yours better too. What was yours called?
It's a mojito. Watermelon.
Watermelon mojito.
Right. So, watermelon basil mojito. How's it?
It's good. Nice and bitter. Duck confit with poached eggs and a big piece of crusty bread.
This is my huevos. It's like a whole tortillas.
Christmas.
Yeah, with both red and green chilies.
I think I'm already feeling good right now. I gotta wait till everybody gets there. Yeah. It's funny to walk on this because it's not like walking on sand.
No, it's like walking on rubber.
Like clay.
Like shredded rubber.
Woo! Whoa, look at this coming out over there. But I feel like also starting an episode.
We started with the contest.
Hi guys. How are you? Like all these. This is funny. Hello. Drink options. got us churros because there's a big flag over there that says churros, and this is what they gave us. It's not churros, and they're not very good, but you know, $12 well spent. Not really. Alright, so I've decided that knowing that you can make money as a tribute band, I want to start a whole tribute band. I will be Courtney Love, and every show I will dress up as a different era. So Oscars, Courtney Love, Live Through This, Courtney Love, Celebrity Skin, Courtney Love. And just play the hits.
Oh boy, we got a traffic jam up here.
Where's he going?
No one knows. Not even him.
Oh, he's maneuvering.
He's also maneuvering.
Should we wait until we figure out what he's doing?
Yeah, he seems to be doing a circle 8.
Anyway.
Can I pick up yet or no?
Right now. I have to wait.
Oh yeah. Oh, the original room.
Yeah, that's the roof. That's
yeah.
Oh, there's one in Evergreen. Oh, you know what? I think I saw that one in Evergreen.
What did they say the pizza?
triple pepperoni.
Triple. Okay, that sounds like what I want.
how's it going, guys?
Good.
I remember when Venus first came out.
So what's everyone else gonna eat?
Yeah, I know.
You're eating that one there, dude. Oh yeah, you know it. Look at that.
So you grab it.
You guys got the triple pepperoni?
No, this is the mother load.
This is Colorado style pizza.
Yep. Sarah's gonna eat it.
Mountain pie.
No, eat this part. How's that part taste?
Get it out of my way so I don't knock on it.
Is that how I do it? I put honey on it?
On the crust.
Oh.
On the crust.
Well, you should have told me.
Good. You can do it however you want. But just on the crust.
I gotta empty the camper. I gotta make arrangements for the place down.
Watching the Seahawks game, but Denver will be on, I'm sure.
Oh, that's the it'll be the Denver game.
Oh, they have take and bake pizza instructions.
Oh.
Preheat 425, remove plastic wrap and label.
Oh, they give you uncooked pizza here.
You can order it to go.
Well, that's
That's the unique thing.
Yeah.
it says take and bake. Oh no. Yeah.
Stop doing that.
Okay, so we picked up. One of the reasons we went to Denver was to pick up this new mattress because ours is just not comfortable anymore. So the mattress, Pam is giving it her inspection. It's kind of difficult for us to find a mattress that fits. Okay. I mean, I'm encouraged to how it fits in here, and then it's good we get it in here, and then we'll cut it open and. Okay, I like how it fits it.
Our friend Debbie, who we ate with Debbie and Pat this evening, she had this mattress and she let me lay on it. It's pretty much brand new for her, but it was nice and firm and it was 8 inches high, and I thought, well, even if it's firm, we have the $400 Tempur-Pedic that we bought. So even if it's a little too firm, that's okay because we have the mattress topper. The thing that's really important about this is just the support. The other one gave us no support, so
It sinks.
because it isn't fully
Yeah.
inflated.